Greetings, YouTube. Danny staying here on the Daily Dan Blog. I like saying that, the Daily Dan Blog. Well, I'm in the woods near Winston, South Carolina today. I got a report from an old lady named Miss Brackenridge, I believe her name is. My brother texted me and said, this old lady reported that a bunch of her chickens got killed. I was in the woods doing a little other stuff when I got the message. So the minute I got out of the woods, I rolled over here and had a look around. Blood in the yard, and there wasn't nothing I wanted to put on video. No signs of whatever did it, and the bodies had done been cleaned up and disposed of, so I couldn't really examine them. It kind of pissed me off, because it was only like an hour later that I got there. There's some big-ass rocks here in these woods. And anyway, I decided to come back behind this old lady's house in these woods just to have a quick look around, see if I could find some footprints, see if I could see anything which might have did the damage. If you look right through here, these trees right here, I don't know if you can see that. You see that rooftop? That would be the chicken coop. That would be the chicken coop where the chickens were killed. So I'm really right in the area behind it that you could expect to see whatever done it. I keep getting a feeling out here that the Daddy Dan might not be alone. If you check out the Danny Staten channel, when I first got in these woods, I made a video over there. Oh, goddamn, all this shit. Walking through these fucking trees and spider webs. Oh. And I made a video over there. I found a weird tree stand structure. But it looked like it'd been there from the freaking 70s. If you're wondering when Daddy Dan took a sudden ride out of the summer, I heard something just now. And it sounds right over this way. It sounded really close, like something popped through the bushes, went through the leaves. Unfortunately, it's so built up and roughage through here that I make more noise than an elephant traveling through here. Spider webs hanging off my camera. Spider webs hanging off me. Ugh, I hate spider webs. There's that tree stand thing I was telling you about earlier. It looks ancient, like it's been here 100 years. Let me know in the comments below if you think that thing's for hunting deer or something else. Maybe somebody is aware of the activity and put up a tree stand down out here to monitor it. I'm not familiar with no other Bigfoot hunters in this area besides myself. Well, there's a couple of guys that do a little research, but they wouldn't do nothing like that. I talk to them a lot. I can't seem to find whatever made that going through the bushes noise. Here, there it is again. Son of a bitch. It's got to be 60 yards away to my left through the thickest shit you could possibly imagine. I'm in the thicket woods. These ain't like the woods over near Crescent Hill I was in earlier this week. Well, hell, earlier today. It'll be earlier this week when you see the video. But earlier today, I was at Crescent Hill doing some videos. If you get over there, the trees are not quite as beat down and bushed out as they are over here. I just heard some horrible dog barks, which is weird, because when I was at the old lady's house, I didn't see no fucking dogs. Oh my God. Oh, gotta find a way through these leaves. Trying to find a way through here. It's like trying to go through a damn maze. Ah, that sucked. Daily Dan about busted daily ass again. That's happening to me a lot this week. Oh God. I found a path that looks like it might be a little easier going. My God, about broke my leg. Whatever I heard has probably ran to hell and back by now, as I had to go through these damn bushes, zigzag style, to get here. I don't know if this has any bearing on anything, but I'm hearing tons of dogs barking in the distance and helicopters in the area. Like I said, I don't know if that really means anything or not. As I see the first little signs that something might have actually been through here. And this would have been about where I heard something a while ago. Helicopters again. Hear that, you two? Yeah. Dogs and helicopters, and that's some creepy shit. I'm out here in the middle of these woods, I hear something going through the bushes. I'm doing an investigation. And now I'm hearing hunting dogs and helicopters. And they're getting closer. I guess I picked the wrong day to wear a big black shirt through the woods, huh? Usually I'd be dressed in camouflage. And this time of year, I usually be wearing a thick ass coat, but it's a little warm today. It's supposed to get down to 30 something tonight, but today it's like 74 out here. I'm actually sweating a little bit going through this shit. That's getting closer and closer. Okay, you two, I'm getting the fuck out of here. This is Danny Staten on the Daily Dan Vlog. I'm about to haul ass in the other direction because I hear dogs getting closer and closer. Do you hear that? They get closer with every word I say. And so does this damn helicopter up here. And I don't want no part of whatever's going on with that. So, till next time, this is Danny Staten on the Daily Dan Vlog. Saying blog over, dudes. Blog over. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.